This week's feast.
Rice Krispy Easter eggs. Happy Easter, everybody!
Yes, the Easter season is upon us.
You know, I didn't celebrate this much growing up. My family wasn't very religious, but I do remember going on a lot of Easter egg hunts, and those were always so much fun.
Yes, so much fun.
Candy.
What would be an Easter eggs for adults?
Probably just Easter eggs filled with money.
Money.
Just like adults just running around the field popping open eggs being like, oh, this one only had $5 in it.
Yeah, I remember actually like certain Easter eggs as little kids having money in it.
Oh, really?
You'd, like look through it and you'd be like, oh man, and throw the candy out.
I missed out in that case because I would have been all over that Easter egg hunt.
Candy. It's a great excuse to bake or make sweet things, right?
And in like a really bright, colorful palette that's fun.
The pastels are back.
They're always around.
Right, but this time of year they're really popping.
For sure. So what are we making today?
We are making Easter egg-shaped Rice Krispy treats.
Cute. So instead of using food coloring, we're doing something a little different and pretty on theme for Easter as well.
Yep, we're using Peeps.
Peeps!
Everybody's favorite Easter candy. Not.
What? You don't like them?
Not really.
What? What?
There it is!
You guys forget the what? Little flashback.
We can never forget the what.
Easter is here and the Peep Parade is marching on. If you're looking for a last-minute and super easy recipe to make for some celebration today, then check out this creative way to reuse Peeps and turn them into something delicious. First, take the little eyeballs off your Peeps and separate them by color into different bowls. Add a teaspoon of butter to each to help soften it later and stick them in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. Stir them all up one by one and add Rice Krispies to each and stir until fully combined. In a separate pan, lay down some parchment paper and start layering your Rice Krispy Peeps one at a time. Use some parchment paper and a box or flat surface to flatten out each layer before moving on to the next. Stick this in the refrigerator or freezer until solidified, then remove it from the pan and take the parchment paper off. Slice this carefully into layers and then use different sized egg cookie cutters to cut out an egg shape. And voila! A quick and simple way to reuse any leftover Peeps and turn them into a bright and colorful egg hunt. You might have to hide these around the house because they're gonna get gobbled up before you can even get one yourself. Happy Easter, everybody.
Wow! They're so cute, so pretty. I love them.
Wow!
Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
What is this?
I don't know.
I love the new Jimmy Wow.
Wow! Jimmy Wow.
Jimmy Wow!
Yeah, he's the companion piece to Jimmy Wow.
Wow.
Well, cheers. You can't eat it, but I will.
Smells so good.
I love Rice Krispy treats.
I know, dude.
They're one of my
just
favorite
so classic. It's
absolutely.
two classic things: Rice Krispy treats and Peeps. Boom! Classic Easter dessert.
Oh, the sugar rush.
And so easy.
It's coming. Ah.
It's so good. Jimmy's taking one for the team right now. I'm sorry I can't eat it. I'm dairy-free right now in case you guys didn't know. And Jimmy is actually on an insane diet. So he's taking one for the team right now, you guys.
Going right to the gym after this.
Yeah. So getting that sugar, that's probably the only sugar he's had this week. He's been very good on his diet, y'all. I know y'all been leaving comments about him getting so buff.
Yeah,
His shirts are getting a little bit too tight.
That's what happens, you know, when you work out.
I guess that's what happens.
Yeah, when you work out every day.
We're just going to see this guy blow up in front of our faces.
Anyway, we hope you guys have an amazing Easter
We
filled
do.
with family, fun, and adventure.
Lots of sweets.
Yes.
Maybe an Easter egg hunt with some money in the eggs.
Yeah, I hope so. And look, even if you don't celebrate Easter, it's a great chance to give a call to your parents, loved ones, family, and friends, and connect on a deeper level.
Yeah, that's sweet, Wim.
Thanks.
All
That
right.
was how I justified it growing up.
Well, it's Sawyer's first Easter this year,
Ooh.
so that'll be pretty cute.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the pictures. And if you want to see some pictures, you can probably find them by following us on Instagram.
Yeah, go to our personal pages.
And follow the Feast of Fiction account as well. We're always doing giveaways and tons of awesome stuff.
Yep.
So we'll see you on the interwebs. And don't forget, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see us make next on the show.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.